Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
LeBron James.
What is your weakness as a man?
Nick Dishes.
What is the oldest bank in the world?
Power bank?
If you won $1 million and your husband's left eye also costs $1 million, what would you do?
He's sitting up.
How to avoid a bad day?
You wake up at night.
What is the tallest building in the world?
Mia Khalifa.
What's your life advice?
Life advice: just because you don't give up doesn't mean you will make it.
What is the longest sentence in the world?
Life sentence.
What's worse than a breakup?
Back then.